Ever feel like your photos just don't do the moment justice? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best cameras for photography in 2025. Whether it's capturing breathtaking landscapes or the perfect smile, choosing the right camera can make all the difference. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade beasts, we've covered something for everyone. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Canon EOS R50, our top pick for the best budget camera for photography. If you're just starting out or simply don't want to spend a fortune, the EOS R50 delivers way more than its price tag suggests. This compact mirrorless camera offers a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor that produces vibrant, detailed photos even in tricky lighting. What makes it especially beginner-friendly is its intuitive UI, paired with automatic shooting modes that let you experiment without feeling overwhelmed. You also get Canon's brilliant dual-pixel autofocus system, which tracks subjects quickly and accurately, even if they're on the move. What's cool is its compatibility with both RF and legacy EF lenses via adapter, giving you flexibility as you grow your kit. The body might feel a little cramped for folks with large hands, but the portability more than makes up for it. If you're a student, hobbyist, or casual traveler wanting crisp images without technical headaches, the Canon EOS R50 is your go-to creative companion. Coming next at number 4, we have the Nikon D3500, our favorite DSLR for photography enthusiasts. While the world's going mirrorless, the D3500 proves that DSLRs still pack serious punch, especially for beginners who crave control and image quality. With its 24.2 megapixels DX format sensor and legendary Nikon color science, this camera produces exceptionally sharp, lifelike images. The battery life is a major win, with up to 1,550 shots on a single charge, so you can shoot all day without worry. But the standout feature is the Nikon's guide mode. It's like having a built-in mentor, walking you through every setting and mode, making learning a breeze. Pair it with the included 18 to 55mm VR kit lens, and you'll benefit from vibration reduction, helping you nail steady shots even in low light. While it doesn't have 4K video, and the screen isn't a touchscreen, the D3500 shines where it matters most. If you're serious about improving your skills and want a reliable, affordable DSLR that won't let you down, this one's hard to beat. At number 3, we have Canon EOS R10, our choice for the best entry-level mirrorless camera. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced but still beginner-friendly, the R10 bridges that gap beautifully. It features a 24.2 megapixel sensor paired with Canon's Digic X processor, which gives you fantastic image clarity, fast autofocus, and up to 15 frames per second continuous shooting. That means whether you're photographing pets, sports, or candid moments, this camera keeps up effortlessly. Video lovers will also appreciate the uncropped 4K video at 60 frames per second and HDR-PQ 10-bit recording, which is perfect for content creators who want top-tier visuals without post-processing headaches. The R10 also boasts a comfortable grip, lightweight body, and intuitive touchscreen, making it a joy to use. The RF lens ecosystem is still maturing, and more advanced users might crave in-body stabilization. But for beginners and growing enthusiasts who want a future-proof mirrorless camera that excels in both photography and video, the Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic pick. Next at number 2, we have the Ricoh GR3, our top recommendation for the best compact camera for photography. If you're a street photographer or minimalist creator, this pocket-sized powerhouse is worth your attention. It sports a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, which is impressive for such a small body, delivering DSLR-level image quality. It's also equipped with 3-axis in-body image stabilization, helping you shoot handheld in low light with crisp results. One standout feature is the snap focus mode, which pre-focuses at a set distance, ideal for fast-paced street scenes or when spontaneity matters most. The built-in 28mm lens is razor-sharp and great for environmental portraits, urban scenes, and even food photography. There's also a GR3X variant with a 40mm equivalent lens for tighter framing. Keep in mind the battery is on the smaller side, so consider packing a spare. But overall, the Ricoh GR3 blends simplicity and power in a way few cameras can. It's perfect for travelers, documentary shooters, or anyone who wants pro-quality results without lugging around heavy gear. And finally, number 1 on our list is the Sony A7 IV. Hands down the best overall camera for photography in today's market. This hybrid mirrorless monster packs a stunning 33 megapixels full-frame sensor that delivers extraordinary detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. Whether you're shooting weddings, landscapes, portraits, or high-end content creation, the A7 IV is built to handle it all. Sony's latest real-time eye autofocus ensures tack-sharp portraits, while its 10-bit video recording, S-Cinetone color profile, and dual card slots make it equally powerful for videographers. The customizable controls, articulating touchscreen, and weather-sealed body give it pro-grade usability. The 4K video at 60 frames per second comes with a crop, and low-light performance isn't class-leading, but these are minor trade-offs when you consider its overall versatility. This is the kind of camera that evolves with you, whether you're a professional looking to upgrade or an ambitious creator ready to level up. The Sony A7 IV isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner built to deliver stunning results every single time.